Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make donuts. First, activate your yeast by combining 1/2 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then, in a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the yeast mixture. Knead this dough for 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. Once your dough has doubled in size, it's time to get shaping. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter, or a large round cutter and a smaller one for the center, to create your donut shapes. Carefully place these on parchment paper-lined trays, ensuring they have space to expand. Now, let them rest and rise for another 30 minutes. They should look noticeably puffy. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to maintain this temperature for even cooking. Gently lower 2 or 3 donuts into the hot oil at a time, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them and place them on a wire rack to cool slightly. The final touch is the glaze. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Let any excess drip off before placing them back on the wire rack. These homemade treats are best enjoyed fresh, so gather your loved ones and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.